We are pleased to show you the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.